Okay, here's my two Jeeps. That one's a 99 4-door. This one's a 98 2-door 5-speed. This one's sitting on a 3.5-inch lift on 31s. Both chili pepper red. I just picked this one up last week. It's sitting on about a 4.5-inch lift on 33s. Yep. It's a 5-speed. Trying to sell this one right now. I'm asking $2 for that. No sway bars on this one. This one has a really ghetto 4.5-inch spacer on it, but doesn't ride too bad. Has the color changing and headlights.